want to clean my room.
You want to play in your room?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's brush teeth and get dressed, and then you can play in your room. Stand. Good morning, Fabs. Good afternoon and good night. See Fabs there behind you, look. Oh, what's in your eye? Something's in your eye?
Yeah.
Okay, let Mama clean it for you. Wait, take your hand out your eye. Good morning, Fabs. See them there, look. Who behind you?
Morning, please.
You punching them? Why are you giving them punches?
Please, you can play with them.
You're playing with them? Come. What's happening at school today?
What?
It's carnival at school later.
Yeah.
Which costume you gonna wear? You remember Mama told you which costume she gonna put in your bag?
Police.
Yes, you're gonna be your favorite policeman. But it's in your bag. So when you go to school, Metra's gonna take it and she'll give you to put it on later, okay?
Okay.
Okay? So later when Mama come home, you tell Mama all about carnival at school, okay? And you tell Mama what did Medi dress stand. What was Medi dress as? What Lena dress as? What and what Maxon's dress as? Okay?
Lisa.
Aliza and Lisa, what Lisa dress as?
Yellow.
Yeah, you're gonna tell me all about it, and you have fun at carnival later, okay?
Okay.
And you're gonna have so
Maybe
much fun.
Mia.
And Mia too. Come.
And
Why your fingers so dirty? Come brush teeth so we can go get dressed. Hi guys, how are you? Up and getting TB ready for school. Babe just stepped out to work. Tyler have carnival at school later, but they only celebrated in the afternoon, so his costume is in his bag. His teacher will let him put it on in the afternoon, so he should have so much fun at school. They told us not to put any snack in his bag today.
with the gun and
No, you don't get to carry the accessories, so you can't carry the gun and you can't carry the handcuff, okay? You only get to carry the hat and the vest, okay?
and the pants too.
No, you're gonna wear the pants, so you don't have to carry the pants, okay? You already have on a blue pants, okay? Okay? So it's just the vest and the hat that will be in your bag. Alright? And you're going to be the most handsome little policeman at school.
Mama.
And you're gonna take pictures? And you're gonna
Mama.
do this? Yes?
I told you that Papa gonna put the police costume.
No, not the pants. I said just the vest and the hat. Go to your room so we get dressed. Go on. So we are just here getting ready for school to head out in time.
I'm ready for school.
Yeah, go up on the bed till we get ready. So baby D's here. She's chilling and growing and listening to baby brother and kicking me up. Yes, yes, Ty.
What is up for this section? Hardcore helicopter.
Really?
Really?
Come.
Yes! So the handcuff and the gun can fit?
No, the handcuff and the gun gonna stay home.
Why?
Because you cannot bring them to school.
That's too big. Good, they're not too big.
No, it's not good to bring handcuffs and guns to school. Okay? So, they have to stay home. Do you understand?
Mama.
Yes, Tyler. Come,
When
stop.
I'm going
Sit.
to
Sit.
school with my police costume, the police is going to send you to jail, if you put my police costume in my bag.
Yes, it's in your bag.
So next time you should go in my jail.
So I'm to go in your jail?
Yeah.
Okay, when I reach home from work later, you can put me to jail, okay? You just wanna put everybody to jail, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that makes you happy. But when mama go to jail, who's gonna take care of you? Huh? Who's gonna get you ready for school? Who's gonna cook your dinner? But you want to put me to jail. So when I go to jail, who is gonna do all that for you?
You, Mama.
But I can't do it if I go to jail.
I could unlock you.
You're gonna unlock me?
Here you can come out.
Okay, just because you want dinner?
It's
So
you.
you want me to come out to make you dinner and get you dressed for school?
Yeah.
You're so cute. Tell Faves later. Tell Faves bye-bye.
Papa will after morning.
Baby's about to head out to school, so hopefully you guys enjoy your day and hopefully you guys are on time with whatever it is that you are doing today or whatever it is that you're doing right now. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe to our channel if you're new to the fam bam. Heading out with my baby and I'll catch you guys later. Oh my gosh, I not too long roll out of bed. I took a little morning nap. I took a morning nap this morning instead of waiting for early afternoon because I'm going to work earlier than expected today. So I just got that out of the way. And I'm here in the kitchen about to make dinner for the boys so that when they get home they'll have dinner. And I am making, my Jamaicans will know what I'm making, and you might be surprised if you're new to my channel. You guys know what this is. This is cornmeal, but in France it's called polenta. And turned cornmeal is a huge thing in France. They eat it a lot here. If you're, like I said, if you're new to my channel, you'll be surprised to know that. I am not a fan of turned cornmeal, by the way, but I make it from time to time for Babe, and Ty is now in love with it because they give it to him at school for lunch. Like I said, it's a French thing, it's a French tradition, so it's completely normal for them to have polenta at school. So the reason why I am making turned cornmeal today is because normally when I'm at work and Babe picked Tyler up from school, Tyler would call me and we would talk a bit before he reached home on FaceTime. So yesterday he called me on FaceTime when I'm at work and he said, "Mama, I want polenta for dinner. What did you cook?" So I said, "Oh, I didn't know that you want that. I made rice." So he was like, "Okay." So I said, "Okay, I'll make polenta for you today, but you go home and eat the rice that Mama made, okay?" And he said, "Okay." And this morning when he was going to school, he reminded me, he said, "Mama, remember to make polenta for dinner." So I'm here making it for your boy right now. So here goes. This is how I normally make it. I have coconut milk over here in the pot. I have the cornmeal here, and now I'm going to add some milk to that. I'm not going to use any water. I don't like to turn cornmeal and use water. I always use milk. So I'm gonna make that right now. So I just throw some water on the cornmeal, and I'm gonna throw some milk into the coconut milk on the stove. And I'm gonna add a little salt for taste in there, so that this tastes good. And babe loves it too. Babes love turned cornmeal polenta. So that's what I'm making, and I think I'm just gonna fry some chicken wings. The reason why I think I'm gonna fry chicken wings is because I need to change out the oil in my fryer for fries. So I normally, like, when it's gonna finish, I would normally use it to fry chicken before I throw it out, just to use it up really. And I'm gonna add a little piece of butter in the milk and the coconut milk that is on, to bring up that flavor. I know a lot of Jamaicans would be shocked to know that turned cornmeal is a big thing in France. It's a big deal in France. A lot of restaurants do it. A lot of family homes do it. It's a lot of schools. It's, for us, it's like rice and peas for them really. They do it a lot. So it's nothing new here. I was surprised when I found out. I think I went to somebody's house and saw that's what they had made for the guests. I was like, really? I was so surprised. And then I found out that babe likes it. Yeah. And then I made it for him once, and he have me making it ever since that. So polenta it is for dinner today. Comment down below and let me know if you're a fan of turned cornmeal. Like I said, I am not a fan, but I love making it for the boys, whatever make them happy. I'll have just a little taste of it, but I'm not a fan. The only way I do cornmeal is if I really feel for some cornmeal porridge, and when I'm making festival, I put, of course, cornmeal in the festival. But I don't do cornmeal boiled dumplings. I love my boiled dumplings white, and I am not a fan of turned cornmeal at all. So that's the only way you'll get me eat cornmeal. Okay, let me show you guys where I'm at. Turned cornmeal. Look at the butter melting on the top. It looks so good. I might change my mind and have some of this the way it looks good. Oh gosh, it's just sliding in the pot. It's not even sticking. You know what? I am going to film this next day and put it on my food channel for sure. I'm definitely going to do that. So turned cornmeal is almost ready. And since it's polenta I'm making, and I know that in France they normally have it with some sauce, have it with meat with sauce, I go ahead and I take out some of the fried chicken from the fryer. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some ketchup to this and cover it with a little water and let it simmer a bit just to get some gravy in there, and the boys shall be happy. Ketchup, I'm not even gonna add any seasoning and stuff to it. Just a little ketchup and a little bit of water. Yeah, it's just to get a little gravy up in there. And I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer a bit. Boom. Okay guys, my turned cornmeal, my polenta is finished cooking, and it's just rolling around in the pots. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna let it sit here. Then I'm gonna add a piece of butter to the top in about 5 minutes and cover it back without flame. So let me show you what dinner is looking like for today. There we go. That's the chicken over there with a little sauce in it, and that's a turned cornmeal. All done. Mommy, how was carnival?
Batman.
Sandra was a Batman.
Yeah.
So who dressed like a policeman just like you?
Julian.
Julian?
Yeah.
In the same costume?
Yeah.
Really? Yes. Same hat and same police costume?
Yeah.
Really? He was cute like you?
Yeah.
Yes. You didn't even take picture of him, nothing, no nothing.
Mama, did a picture today.
You did a picture at school?
Yeah.
Yes, so Mama will get to see it in
Mama.
your school book. Yes.
And tomorrow I want to be Spider-Man like Yasin.
Tomorrow you want to be Spider-Man like you said?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
You have to wait until your birthday and buy your Spider-Man costume. You have to buy your Spider-Man costume?
Yeah.
Yeah. I miss you today.
Mommy.
You guys, I just got back home from work and Tyler called me at work and asked me if I made his polenta. And babe came home, warm it, go for it. Tyler, we're gonna go to the supermarket now. Yeah, but you have to leave the tablet at home. You can't carry it to the supermarket with you. You guys see babe all day? No.
I'm not boss. Hi guys.
Polenta on your pants. Go let Papa wipe it off and come back. Go clean up your pants. You guys, so I just got back home from work. You guys, you see my clothes? My clothes can't fit. Jeez, this one can fit though. It just rub up. You say hi, baby sister.
Mama.
Say hi, baby sister.
Mama.
Anyway, you guys, heading out to the supermarket. So I'll catch you guys either at the supermarket and when we get back at some point. You guys, by the time we drive and reach to the supermarket, this happened. Somebody had a long, full, fun-filled day at school. He's knocked out. Normally on a Friday when we go to supermarket, he would be up. He would go to supermarket, go home, and be up on a Friday night until like 10 o'clock. We don't put him to bed normally on a Friday night early. And look at him. He's out cold. I guess dinner was good, school was good, and he's tired. Look how cute he's sleeping. So babe gone to the supermarket all by himself. He just parked and I'm just here. Well, my back is hurting me anyway, so I'm resting while Tyler is resting. So I'll just show you guys the haul of the little stuff that we get at the supermarket when we get home. You guys, we're back home.
We're back home.
And babe did supermarket all on his own. Show them what we got, honey.
We got regular thing, eggs, orange juice, apple juice, donut. This is what Tyler loves as a yogurt. So
I'm coming.
that's the only thing we take for him now is this type of yogurt, donut. We don't bother taking no milky, no kiddie yogurt.
This one is milky, but it's more caramel.
Yeah.
I don't know if you call that milky.
No, it's like
Kind
a
of
cream
milk,
but it's not milky like white,
right?
Like for a kid.
Right. So baby's packing out while I'm here trying to prepare his dinner because he hasn't eaten as yet. Yes, Ty, what happened? Huh? We did go to the supermarket, but you slept the entire way, so Mama stayed in the car with you. You didn't realize you were sleeping? You were sleeping. So your Mama stayed in the car while Papa went to the supermarket, okay? That's why you didn't see us go in, because you were sleeping.
You also got, well, dishwash and for the washing machine, that's how you call it?
Dishwasher?
Dishwasher. Or washing machine is for the clothes.
Right.
Okay, flour for bake. For bake, to bake some good stuff for me. A maxi pack of M&M's.
It's more like to make dumpling, not to bake at all.
Fried dumpling for me.
That sounds better.
Some juice for Tyler. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is foreign section for black people.
Did he just say that?
It's like plantain.
You find the coconut milk only in the international section. You don't find it anywhere else. That's why he says some black people, so y'all don't feel offended, okay? He's just joking. Anyway, you guys, like 2 minutes. We are home for the rest of the afternoon. Tyler is really tired. Even though he woke up, he got a little nap, so I won't put him to bed right now. But we're gonna just chill. Hear him. I'm not tired. If you follow him, he's not tired no night, and 5 minutes later he fall asleep. More goodies that babe got from supermarket. He got cereal and tin milk, and I'm gonna open the tin milk right now because I need to make me some tea.
There's no more?
No, it finished. I rinsed out the can yesterday morning. I washed it out.
You barely said.
I threw water in it and wash it out because it was the last. And babe and Tyler love cookie. I'm not a cookie fan, so cookie for Tyler and babe. Here. Good job, honey. You did well.